Hi friends, welcome back. Today I have to discuss angle properties. So I'm writing here angle properties. You know the types of the angles: acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. But today we are discussing corresponding angles, alternate angles, and vertically opposite angles, and the interior and exterior angles of a triangle. We have three things to discuss. First of all, I want to discuss the transversal line and the angles so formed. We have pair of straight lines called parallel lines. Now one line which cuts these two lines, this line cutting the parallel lines, is called transversal line. Transversal line. Okay. Now this transversal line is making some angles on these parallel lines. Here on the right side of this transversal we have two pairs of angles. One pair of angle IJ and K and L. One pair, two pair. And two pairs on the other side, A, B, C and D. Now you should know that total angle around a point is equal to 360. One round completes when it sustains 360 degree, and half circle or straight line or half turn sustains 180 degree. You know it, 90 degree means quarter turn, and if we have 3/4 from here to here, it is 270, right? Very good. So now we are going to discuss the corresponding angles, the angles which are on the one side of this transversal line and at the same position, like I and this K are on the same position. This line and this line have angle here and here. This I and K, I and K are corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are always equal, right? So now find the other pair of corresponding angles, that is J, because this is below this line. So below this line, here it is L. J and L are corresponding. On this side we have A and C and B and D. B and all the corresponding angles are equal, remember. Now we are going to discuss the alternate angles. The angles, one is on the right of this transversal line and the other is on the left of this transversal line. Suppose, for example, this is I and the angle on this side D. This I and this D. Now, how to find it? How to identify it? One angle will be on the right of the transversal line and the other angle will be on the left of this transversal line, and one will be on this line, above this line, and the other will be on the below of this line and on the opposite side. Okay, so I and D. Now this I and D are alternate angles, and you should know it that alternate angles are also equal. I'm writing here equal. So find other alternate angles. This A and this L. A and L are alternate angles, and this C and this J are alternate angles. C and J. Okay. The rest of pairs are your homework. Now, vertically opposite angles. If two lines are intersecting each other vertically. Okay. So vertically means it can be on 90 degree, it can be on any degree. Vertically means like this, not the horizontal. So this is the pair of vertically opposite angles. Suppose this is A and this is B. This is C and this is D. Now vertically opposite. This C is opposite to D and D is opposite to C. The opposite angle of A is B and the opposite angle of B is A. All are this A and C are both adjacent to each other. So we can't say A and C are vertically opposite or opposite angles. These are adjacent angles. So here A will be equal to the opposite side, opposite angle, that is B, and C will be equal to D. And another thing, we have a triangle and this exterior angle. If we don't know the angle, measure of angle here, and we are given, suppose this is 45 and this is 50, then we can find this always the exterior angle of this triangle is always equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. This is adjacent, this is not the opposite interior. This is interior, but it's not the opposite. These two are opposite interior angles. So x will be equal to, x is equal to 45 plus 50. So x is equal to 95. Okay, well.